Exploring the Mountains Foothills, a journey into English language. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to understand a picturesque phrase in the English language, mountains foothills. This phrase evokes beautiful imagery and is packed with meaning, making it a perfect topic for our exploration. Stay tuned as we uncover the layers of meaning behind this phrase and how you can use it to enrich your English vocabulary. Foothills are the gentle slopes at the base of a mountain or mountain range. They're often seen as the transition zone between flat land and towering mountains. The term, mountains foothills, specifically refers to these areas that belong to, or are directly associated with, a particular mountain or mountains. It's a term that captures both geographical features and the natural beauty of a landscape. Foothills play a crucial role in geography and ecology, acting as a buffer and a link between different terrains. They have their unique vegetation, wildlife, and sometimes distinct cultures if inhabited. In language, the phrase, mountains foothills, can be used metaphorically to describe the beginning or early stages of a massive or complex project, similar to how foothills represent the initial ascent towards a mountain's peak. 1. Descriptive. The cabin is nestled in the mountain's foothills, offering breathtaking views of the valley below. 2. Metaphorical. Starting this business felt like standing at the mountain's foothills, ready for the challenging climb ahead. 3. Comparative. Just as plants in the mountain's foothills have adapted to their environment, we must adapt to new technologies. We hope you've enjoyed this scenic journey through the mountain's foothills and have gained a deeper appreciation for this beautiful phrase. It's not just a geographical term. It's a poetic way to describe beginnings, transitions, and the natural world. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has enriched your understanding and love for the English language. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your horizons.